Hi friends, we're going to be tapping out some sounds and listening for the word. All of our words today are going to be in the ab family. That means that all of the words are going to rhyme with ab. They're going to have the same ending sound. You see I have the letter A. What sound does the A make? Ah. What sound does the B make? B. When I put it together, it sounds like ab. Ab. So all of our words are going to sound like ab. Now let me put a letter at the beginning of ab. I'm going to put the letter C. What sound does the C make? K, k. Yeah. So now let me blend the sounds together. K, ab. K, ab. What word do you hear? K, ab. Cab. Oh yeah, like a taxi cab. Nice. I'm going to change the beginning sound in cab, and I'm going to do the letter L. What sound does the L make? L. So now let me blend my sounds. L, ab. L, ab. L, ab. What word do you hear? Lab. Oh yeah, a lab is a place that scientists work. They work in a science lab. Nice. So we had cab, lab. Let me do another one. Oh, you guys are going to like this one. The beginning sound has a D in it. What sound does the D make? D, d. So let's put together our sounds. D, ab. D, ab. What word is that? D, ab. Dab. Dab. Oh my gosh, so we've had cab, lab, and dab. Whoa, what do you notice about that? Cab, lab, dab. Yeah, they all rhyme. So rhyming words have the same ending sound. Now I'm going to do one more word that has the ab ending sound. It's going to be tricky though, because the beginning is going to be a two-letter blend. So I'm going to take away the D in dab, and I'm going to put C-R. Now, what sound does the C make? K. What sound does the R make? Ab. So let's see what this word is. K, ab. Do you hear it? K, ab. K, ab. K, ab. The word crab. What word is this? Crab. Oh my goodness, wait. Crab rhymes with lab, cab, and dab. Nice job. Ooh, that was a really tricky one. If you got that one, give yourself a pat, pat, pat on the back. Nice job. Keep practicing our letter sounds at home.